Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must have seen this type of reels on Instagram. So in this video I will show you how to create this type of reels very easily. To edit such video, we will need Edits app. So you have to download this. So once you have downloaded, open your app and click on plus icon. So either you can select it from your gallery or you can record it. So for now, just to show, I will click on camera and I will record this, and I will click on arrow. So here I will click on text and I will type something here. So this is a thing I have typed here. So now click on text here. So we'll select the font. So scroll down and select this adverb case. You have to select this and click on done. So now we'll select on this A icon, the star beside A. We'll click on this and scroll down and we will select the option as fish eye. Just click on this one and click on done. So you can drag and increase the size as you want, and you can also change the color as you want. I will edit this, click on color icon and I can select the color whatever I want, click on done. So the photo or a video is ready. You can select the quality and save it or directly post it to Instagram from here. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.